This is a question from one lady, Ahmediyya lady. Does one's DNA influence one's soul or vice versa? Is there any correlation?
I couldn't follow.
Does this human DNA affect the soul of the person?
Or vice versa?
DNA can affect the soul of the person in a strange way, because the Holy Quran has mentioned that their skins will give witness against them. Nobody could imagine how skin could give witness. But now with the growing knowledge of DNA, they have discovered that old animals can be revived from the cells on their skins. And nowadays a debate is going on about an elephant, which was prehistoric and which got buried in such deep ice that its meat is still eatable. And now the scientists are thinking of producing full animal out of the skin cells of that. So apparently it has no connection with the Quran, but the Quran is a wonderful book. I was always amazed why the Holy Quran says the skins will give witness against them. So the witness of skin is the strongest witness. And everything which emerges into man emerges through the skin. Everything which leaves man leaves through the skin. So this is the special beauty of the Quran, to which you have reminded me.